Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. As we all know that the whole world is suffering from the pandemic situation, the whole nation has been terrorized by the disease named Corona. The whole nation, the whole world has terrorized. We know that. But at the same time, organizing the ideas about virtual summer camp by our esteemed school brings me vigor and enthusiasm. So this is GSR, your host, are going to introduce about virtual summer camp 2020 to all of you. Keep listening. So get ready to be a part of this virtual summer camp 2020 for the first time in the history of Bharatpur. Oh my God, I'm so excited to be a part of this. So very soon we are going to be a part of this inauguration ceremony. But before going to the inauguration ceremony, we don't forget our rich culture. For this, we have to lit a lamp in front of Goddess Saraswati. So I'm inviting our Honorable Director Ma'am, Mrs. Satinder Kaur, to lit a lamp in front of Ma Saraswati and perform this rich culture. Thank you very much, Honorable Director Ma'am. By lighting a lamp in front of Mata Saraswati, Goddess Saraswati. Friends, कहते हैं कि कोई भी इवेंट गणपति आराधना, गणपति वंदना के बिना पूरी नहीं होती है. So, guys, we are following the same track. Now, I'm going to announce for Ganpati Vandana. It's Ganesh Vandana.
लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, दोन दिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को. जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता. जय देव जय देव. भगति से कोई शरणागत आवे, संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे. ऐसे तुम महाराज मोको अति भावे, गोसावी नंदन निच दिन गुण गावे. जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता. जय देव जय देव.
Thank you very much, ma'am. On this very note, I'm going move further. Friends, किसी ने बहुत अच्छा कहा है, जिंदगी कुछ महीनों से बेजान हो गई थी। जिंदगी कुछ महीनों से बेजान हो गई थी, चारों तरफ छाई थी निराशा। ऐसे में शिक्षा के साथ खेल कूद और मनोरंजन हम सब के लिए लाई है एक नई आशा। Now, I would like to invite our Vice Principal Sir, Mr. Deepak Singh Rohatela ji, to express his views.
Good morning, students and their parents. First of all, I would like to thank my management that they have given me this chance to speak in front of you at this occasion of that is the inauguration of the summer camp. And this is, I believe, the most vital step being taken by the management. In such a situation, when we are suffering from a pandemic, that is COVID-19, and most of the restrictions are being implemented on the citizens by the government, may it be the state or the central government, and the only way to survive in such a pandemic is to stay home and stay safe. And keeping this in consideration, the school management decided to go for the online classes. That was the first initiative being taken by the management, and now they are going for the summer camp. This summer camp, because we know it very well that not only studies, but the physical and the mental activeness of the student is also very important. And in this summer camp, we are planning to provide the full mental and physical fitness to the students. We have different activities. We have dance, we have music, we have science, we have English, and this is my firm promise to you that there will be no academics, only there will be fun. So participate in it as much as you can. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Deepak sir, for your kind views. Now, it's time to introduce you from your mentors, from your guides, who will take you in the world of science, who will take you in the world of frictions, who will take you in the world of art, who will take you in the world of creativity, who will take you in the world of dance, who will take you in the world of motivation, who will prepare you psychologically and mentally. So, check it out.
हेलो स्टूडेंट, कैसे हैं आप सब? तो आपको पता है ना क्या आने वाला है? यस, समर कैंप। इसको ऑर्गेनाइज करा है टीएम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ने, और मैं आपको सिखाने आ रहा हूँ लाइव डांस, जिसमें होगा हिप हॉप, कंटेम्पररी, क्लासिकल, बॉलीवुड, एंड साथ में मिलेगा आपको फिटनेस जुम्बा क्लास। तो रेडी हो जाइए कमर कस के, क्योंकि डांस सीखेंगे मेरे साथ।
Everyone, TMIS believes in keeping their children busy with creativity and knowledge. To enhance this concept, we have come with virtual summer camps. Now I am Deepti, your art teacher. So students, are you ready to play with colors? So this is your required materials: brushes, poster colors, watercolors, okay? And color plate, okay?
Hello everyone, I am Neha, your craft teacher. In this summer camp, I am handling the craft section. So be ready for it and get ready with your materials, okay? So I am very much excited for the ride of this summer camp. Are you? So stay tuned with me. Till then, bye-bye.
Hi dear students, TMIS Summer Camp is a unique opportunity for interested and talented students to improve their math skill during summer session. Students will be guided and trained by math magician Bhutiram Chaudhary in a fun and challenging environment. So join my class.
Hello students, in this summer, through this summer camp of TMIS, let's improve our immunity system and enhance our respiratory system. I am waiting for you. Come and join.
Hello students, welcome to TMIS Summer Camp 2020. I am Sumitra and I will be your coach at your camp for English Winglish. Let's all learn to communicate with each other in English. You all love to do and learn. So let's do communication in English. Let's all act in English, walk in English, sit in English, stand in English, and finally speak English Winglish. Thank you.
Hello students, I am Archana, your science faculty, here to welcome you all in Fun with Science in your summer camp 2020. We are here to do some fun activities with new innovations, creativity and experiments that you will intervene in your life and create new experiments. So all, are you ready? Yes.
Hello students, in this summer camp, let's work on our strength, agility, power and endurance. So come with me and let's improve our health. Let's go.
इस समर कैंप में हम अपनी सिंगिंग स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव करेंगे, इंस्ट्रूमेंटल स्किल्स इम्प्रूव करेंगे और हम सभी मिलकर कीबोर्ड पे नई नई एक्सरसाइज और सॉन्ग प्ले करना सीखेंगे. सो लेट्स जॉइन माय क्लास एंड इम्प्रूव योर सिंगिंग एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंटल स्किल्स.
Hello kids, learning how to cook is one of the most important skills a person can have. And when you cook for yourself, you learn to enjoy healthy food. So cooking is an activity which requires skills and expertise. I, Suman Singh Sinwar, welcome you all to my cooking activity where you learn mug cakes, dalgona coffee, Mexican salad and many more. So just wait for tomorrow.
Hello children, join us as we explore the world of acting. We will delve into the process of developing characters through improvisation, scene work and collaboration. Come, join the fun.
Hey everyone, the world of web is full of ample of information, but many sections of it are interesting. In this wonderful summer camp, let me introduce you to the interesting side and the amazing facts about the web. That is, how can we create our website, our personal website and Photoshop as well. So, see you in the classes.
Numbers, numbers, numbers. They are everywhere in our life. With this inauguration, the magic of numbers is here. Soon, we will be meeting to play with numbers and to learn in a more exciting manner the easier way of making calculations. See you in a magical world of numbers and maths magic.
I proposed, you accepted, and you joined, and soon we would meet. The time has come to leave the hustles behind and enjoy the summer break in a much playful and fun manner. Learning with enjoyment is always fun, and so it will be here. I will be waiting to see you, and you be there to enjoy your English with Winglish.
Hey, today everyone wants to learn English language, English for career, English for interviews, English for competitive exams, English for communication. So, to help you in this matter, I, Jitu Sharma, with you in the summer virtual camp. So join me there. Thank you.
Hello kids, my name is Daljit Singh and I'm waiting for you in my summer camp, and we will have fun with some science and we will know some concepts of nature. So see you soon.
Now, I would like to invite the Honorable Secretary of the school, Mr. Hira Singh sir, who will announce officially this virtual summer camp.
Good morning, students and dear parents. Today, I just want to thank on the behalf of TMIS management to our SS parents and the student, because it was the tough time, rather we can say the toughest time we have seen in our life, and in such tough time our SS parent helped us, inspired us, supported us to run online school as per the almost equivalent to the regular school. They have shown a great patience to run this school. So just to give them thanks, we are planning, our teachers team has planned a virtual summer camp, because we know in these days our students are under the guidance of parents only. So we planned this summer camp just to give the thank, and initially we planned only for the 4 activities participation, but finally just looking at the enthusiasm, we are thinking to open more activities for the holistic development of a child. So this virtual summer camp will be under the 100% supervision and the guidance of parents only. So I would like to request to the parent to give them proper guidance as per their interest, so that they can participate in the camp, in the activities, because this camp is having many exciting activities for the kids, and it is none of a academic studies camp. There is no relation with the academics, but it has principally the values for the academics, to generate them, to nurture them, and rather to develop the kids so that they can see the other world with the different direction, with the different age. So our teachers are trying to give their best besides academic in this summer camp also. So once again, I would like to give to thank to our parents, because of them only we started the online classes from the 6th of April, and almost pre-midterm syllabus as per the routine CBSE guideline has been completed successfully in every class, and now we are planning for the online examination. But before the examination, we just wanted to give a break to our kids to enjoy the summer vacation of 10 days with the virtual summer camp only. So once again, I would like to request to the parents, please help the kids to decide the activities to participate, because we have a lengthy plan, but it is solely the parent who will decide as per the wish, as per the interest of the kid, in which activities kids should participate. So once again, giving the thanks to the parents and just advising to them to help the kids so that they can enjoy this summer camp. Thank you very much once again, and please enjoy the camp. And I think our teacher will be in the different mode with the different age and the different directions to the other student only. Thank you. Have a good day, and just enjoy learning with the summer camp. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Secretary sir, for announcing the virtual summer camp 2020-21 officially. Thank you very much, sir. Now, I would like to conclude the whole session. But before going to conclude, I would like to say something for our honorable teachers, for our wonderful faculties. This line has dedicated to all of you. सही क्या है, गलत क्या है, ये फर्क ये सबक पढ़ाते हैं आप। सही क्या है, गलत क्या है, ये सबक पढ़ाते हैं आप। झूठ क्या है, सच क्या है, ये फर्क समझाते हैं आप। सही क्या है, गलत क्या है, ये सबक पढ़ाते हैं आप। झूठ क्या है, सच क्या है, ये फर्क समझाते हैं आप। जब सूझता नहीं कुछ भी, राहों को सफल बनाते हैं आप। थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विद अस। थैंक यू पेरेंट्स फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस। Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, serve your country, serve your family, serve your Bharat Mata. Thank you very much.